Kubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Saleng sangmau beri unong mikmat jong ka gambe gere bala no kam kum MLA ka seng NCP bat ubala wan man penyeso bat ka seng Congress ulang baki pat ba ka jela kila jit hi ki nong yalam jong ka seng MDA bat kumta ki pat ba ki deban mat hi ki jing bat ulang bala da ki pat ba ki snotho kila snotho na margani ka sarkar kala buan satang ki jing sha kan tho bat ki jing ki na do sansnem bakala bat yo lakam senchar hapo ka jela Habakren cikilat patai kubor mentaka sini Kongres Bhavan ula ang bakada wa ula mi na kaseng Kongres menshwa kamdei bula pet hidala dia handai kadei bula syakbe na katiga seng daki katu kat ningut kinong yalam kaseng ula ang bakada ula wan pai biang sya kaseng kabarim kadei na marba unong yalam ubala be yu na kaseng Kongres don shu apo kaseng bat udei ubriu ubadang tieng bom la ban Shong ne bat kaseng bat menta ula let penyeso no bat kaseng Trinamul Kongres Ulang bahagapor ba udan ringkat lang bat ka sarkar MDA usngo ba usyusno syabar Jaka bos bat Khlem yo satya wat ka Jaka ba Shong hapo habakali balay ba ummi no na ka jingitre lang bat ka sarkar MDA khamkloy usaleng ulang ba kadaw ba usyempor wan mi na ka sarkar MDA kaday na marba udan ka jingperkhat na ka banta ki patba ki jong u bat ba kwa ban no yaki shiteng lenti.
If the people wants a difference, let there be a difference. Let me tell you, I think for my people, there are lots of issues which need to be carried out. I have given a proposal strike for my people. I just don't want to leave my people on the halfway. I was in the opposition. Have you ever seen the opposition staying as an independent for whole 5 years? Tell me. Just point out any independent MLA in the whole India who has stayed for whole 5 years without entering with the government. Does anybody has the guts? Just look at Mukul Sangma and his team. They were with the team in Congress. Why they were so suffocated to stay in a group for whole 5 years? What would had happened to them if they were alone like me? Does anybody will have the guts to stay alone in the opposition for whole 5 years? Tell me. So do not talk about my caliber or my guts. I'm for the people. We look at the BJP. BJP is good party. I'm not saying bad party or worse party, but there are some elements which elements actually which not doesn't allow our Christian society to be in. Last time when I was like thinking maybe I might join with the BJP. To be frank enough, let me be fair. Okay, let me speak the truth. Now the thing is that lots of people from here, even the TMC, they started posting around BJP killing Christian, burning the churches, burning this and that. This is like they've been politicians everywhere. So since this is a Christian state, I don't want to hurt the sentiments of my people. You got that's the emotion I have to respect. Let the people decide. Let the people decide. Now you see now, for example, now we have to come actually. I have to come. I have shown also. Now, for example, Vincent Pala as the one of the humblest leader. Now we have to look at the future actually. So by looking at the future, it's the people's choice. We cannot make we just cannot predict. We are never a fortune teller. So we cannot say that we will get 34 or maybe 24 out of 24. But the fact is that now people should realize. I would say people should realize. You see, look at the, for example, now youths are, like I've seen lots of advertisement giving on by the TMC, by the NPP, by lots of others. But now this MDA government cannot neither produce the vacancy, even fill up the vacancy. Fill up the vacancy. Just imagine that. Fill up the vacancy. Forget about creating the new one. And then what about the stencil departments? Lots of stencil departments are there. We've got sericulture, we've got agriculture, horticulture. You go to horticulture office, it's all full blank. You go to any ITI, training center, there is not even a schools are there. So they should realize now how many of their children are being inducted in the government job. Now I won't say that Congress should get this much, but people should realize that they have been cheated, not only by one but 2, 3 governments. So they should realize by now. Now, for example, they are giving loans which they have to repay back. What about the government job which is just lying vacant? They should fill up. Why they haven't filled up? Either they don't want to fill up, or they don't know how to feel. You got my point? So, and then if they want more of an agitation tomorrow, then let there be agitations. If they don't want agitation tomorrow, let them change it. So we are here. We are here for them. That's the thing we can say. You see, people has voted for them. Let the people face the music also. You got my point? If the people has voted, the people have given them the mandate for 5 years. Now people realize. If people realize, then they will change now. Allegation, not only the allegation, agitation also were there. You got my point? There were lots of agitations through whole day and night. You all have seen. It's not me only. I didn't make the allegation. It's everywhere. It's the people's choice, you see. There is a saying in the Bible itself, what you sow, you'll get. That's how they get it. Now, if they don't want agitation in the future, they should vote for something different. If they want, again, agitation every day, every night, then let them vote for the same.